What's up guys, Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys do hit subscribe, make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. Today I have a shoe that I have honestly maybe only reviewed once on my channel, or not necessarily the shoe but the brand itself. I have two pairs of Yeezys that I'm going to show you guys. I myself, I've never really been a big three stripes person. Maybe even during like when Ultra Boost was super hot, the only Ultra Boost that I've ever owned is the Kif Ultra Boost, and I got those during a raffle. And I never did a review on them, but I wish I did. I sold those. For me, it's always been checks over stripes. Today I have two shoes to show you guys. Both of them are pretty cool in my opinion. Like I said, I don't know too much about Adidas or like what to even really say about these shoes. You guys can see by the title, these are the Yeezy 700s and the Yeezy Slides. I'm getting right into it. This is going to be really short, you guys. This is the box they come in. Yeezy 700. These are size 8. These are the V3s. I'll say I have not seen a pair of 700s in person actually. So when I saw these in hand, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty delighted. I could picture myself wearing these with a couple of different outfits. Here are the shoes. Yeezy 700s in this Arzareth color. I think this like gel part kind of reflects if you like shine some light on it. I haven't tried it myself. You know, not much I can really say about the shoe because I don't know too much. I thought the one thing that I did think was pretty cool was the lacing system. I had no idea. You can't really tie these shoes right. You just have to like pull this to make them a little bit tighter. But yeah, here's the Yeezy 700 V3s. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. I know a lot of people weren't the biggest fan of this specific colorway, but I mean, I don't think the blue looks too bad. I do think it looks a little bit cheap, not gonna lie, but nonetheless, dope sneaker. That's my first impressions on the shoes of honestly ever first time seeing the Yeezy 700s in person and holding them like this. I like the sleek shape. I think that's pretty dope. I think Kanye has a way of making dad shoes look really sleek, really dope. Do I think this is a shoe you could wear every day? Maybe, right? Because you know, it's not too loud, it's not too flashy. It looks like it has a good amount of cushion, and I don't know if this is boost on the bottom. It doesn't look like it. So yeah, here's the Yeezy 700 V3s. First impressions, what I caught, I probably would, right? Like if I could get them for retail or maybe under retail, I would probably consider it. I think retail on these is like 2 something, but resale is probably like 300, like mid 300s, 400, so not too bad. I'm just gonna wrap up this portion of the Yeezy 700s, and next up I have a pair of the Yeezy Slides that I'm going to show you guys. These came out a while ago, I think. It's the bone colorway. Here's the box they come in, just like your typical Yeezy box. You know, rather than saying 700, 350, it's just the slides on the top. These are the bone colorway, and you know, seeing these in person, I think these definitely grew on me. I'll say out of everything that Kanye has dropped recently, I'll say the 700s and these slides are probably my favorite. I mean, at the end of the day, right, these are just some cheap plastic sides that are made in China. Probably have some decent cushioning. They feel pretty comfortable. Let me know what you guys think about these slides. I know a lot of people were kind of bashing them at first. You know, I've seen a couple people wear them in person with like just some pretty stylish outfits, and I'll say like, just don't be that guy that's wearing the Yeezy Slides with high Nike socks and, you know, Nike shorts and all that. I think these are definitely a stylish option for slides. I personally prefer Adidas over Nikes for slides, and you know, that's coming from like probably one of the biggest Nike fanboys out there. What do you guys think about the 700s, the slide? Like I said, this was probably a quick and not that great of a review, honestly, but I did want to show you guys the shoes, the slide, and I mean, just give you kind of my thoughts on them. So let me know what you guys think. I think Kanye and Adidas is doing a pretty decent job, right? They're dropping tons and tons of shoes, and yeah, like they might be oversaturating the market, but nonetheless, they're giving the people what they want. You know, Kanye said he wanted everyone to have Yeezys by, I don't know, a specific date, and it seems like he's doing his job. So yeah, it's gonna wrap up the review, you guys, of the slides and the 700s. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys cop the slide? Did you guys cop the 700? Are you guys off Adidas? Do you guys think Adidas never even really fell off? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.